Good morning, students. In previous lecture, in the lesson manufacturing industries, we have studied about industrial location, the area, which area is ideal for the location of industries. About that we have studied. Now today we are going to discuss the topic classification of industries. Many things are there. On the basis of that, the classification of industries are made. Here, number one is on the basis of source of raw materials used. We take raw material from the different type of resources. On the basis of that, the name is given. Number one is agro-based industries. We take many things as a raw material from the agriculture, like sugar cane, cotton, jute, rubber. Many things are there which we get from the agriculture. That is why the things which is used as a raw material, which is taken from the agriculture, that industries are known as agro-based industries. Agro-based industries. In this industry we use cotton, woolen, jute, silk, textile, rubber and sugar, tea, coffee, edible oil. These are things we get from the agriculture. That is why this is known as agro-based industries. And then second one is mineral-based industries. Many industries are there which uses the raw material which we take from the mine as a mineral, and we clean that mineral, we take out the raw material, the metal from that raw material. Like mineral based industry is iron and steel, cement, aluminium, machine tools, petrochemical. These all are used in mineral based industries. Mineral based industries, they use minerals. That is why the name is given mineral based industries. And then according to their role, some industries are there, they are basic industry. They are called basic industries because they provide raw material to many other industries, like iron and steel industry. Iron and steel industries, they provide raw material to many different industries. Like some industries, they make wheel of the vehicle. Many industries are there which make different parts of the vehicle or engine, of the motor car, of the rail. They utilize iron and steel as a raw material for making different job of the engine. That is why they are known as basic industries. Here, according to their role, basic or key industries which supply their product or raw material to manufacture other goods. In this example is given iron and steel and copper smelting, aluminium smelting. These all things are used in making different type of things. That is why it is known as a basic industry. Also petrochemical industry, they supply raw material to different type of other industry. They are also known as a basic industry. Now some industries are known as consumer industries because they supply direct the product to the consumer, like sugar industry, they supply sugar direct to the consumer, and many other industries are there like edible oil, biscuits, they direct supply the things to the consumer. That is why it is known as consumer industries. Then small, according to the investment, there are two type of industry: small scale industry and large scale industry. The industry which uses rupees 1 crore as investment, the investment of capital 1 crore, it may be increased because the value of money decreases and increases. That is why the value in small scale industry can be more or less. But in present time, the industry which spends 1 crore rupees, it is known as small scale industry, and the large scale industry, they invest too much and number of workers also work too much in that large scale industry. And another is on the basis of ownership. Some industries are owned by the government, and the industries which are owned by the government, they are known as public sector, and some industries are owned by the individuals or a group of individuals. They are known as private sector industries. And another is a cooperative sector. In cooperative sector, the industry runs with the help of cooperation of the raw material supplier and the owner of the industry. They do cooperation and they share their profit among themselves. In this way, cooperative sector works, cooperative industry works. And on the basis of the weight, the bulk, they are known as heavy industry and light industry. Heavy industries are those industries like iron ore industry, whose raw material is too much, contain too much weight. That is why they are heavy. And some part of the manufactured things, they remain very light. That is why they are known as light industries.